Good morning. Welcome to Goodwill Trade. In this video presentation, we will see how we can trade in MCX crude oil today and for this week and in the coming days. Before looking into that, let us see what happened in the last few weeks since we had moved to the new contract. Since the previous contract is going to expire, now we need to look into the price actions of what happened in this new contract, the active part of the new contract. So the chart you're seeing is the same 7-minute candlestick chart, and I had decreased the scale so that we can have some clarity about the overall trend. If we see the price action, we could understand after a very big drop the price gave a clear bounce back, and the price reached 3098 in this contract, and after that the price gave a retracement and again came down. Now it is moving up, consolidating in the same zone. So this is what happened. What we did in the earlier contract, we completely stayed in line with the selling. Even though when the price was moving up, we patiently waited, and once it came down again we thought of selling. We made a very decent profit, and recently in the last two trading sessions we were expecting crude oil to stay in buying. The basic part of what we need to look into this entire price action is the particular zone of 2960. We could understand on various occasions on June 30th it had provided support, and on June 5th it had provided support. Here in and around it had provided support. So the resistance zone, this is 2960 is the support zone, and the resistance happens here 3020. When the price took support around 2960 on July 5th, the price took resistance here. Here also it acted as a resistance. So on various area it is acting as a resistance. Whenever we say a support or resistance, it is not a single line, it is a zone. So the entire fight is going to happen between 2960 and 3020. This is going to be the key area where we need to focus. So yesterday we could see that the price went up and again it came down and closed down. So actually initially it had good momentum for buying, but a failure to stay above 3020 resulted in the price. So the price came and closed near 3000. So 3000 is also a psychological zone. We cannot take it very easy. So what we can do today, how we can position ourselves in this contract. Since the price is trading within the key major zones, there will be 50-50 chance for both buyers and sellers. If we take the overall view, overall trend, so as we know in the last two contracts, it was completely dominated by the sellers. So there are expectations that the price can give you a short-term buying because of profit booking and correction. That can happen. That is what that is a major reason in the last two trading session we try to position ourselves on the buying side. So we are going to do the same thing. So today crude is expected to open somewhere just within 3020 and 3000 zone. So we are going to do what we did yesterday. We expect that the price can go for short-term buying. Since the price for the last 2-3 contracts it was dominated by the sellers, there are possibilities that the price can take support around 2960 and it can go for buying. So if there is something underlying, so if the underlying buying what is happening is because of the buyers, it should take support around 2960 and it should clear 3020 and move further to reach 3120. If that is not going to happen, surely the price will break 2960 and it will consider this 3020 as resistance, and it will be a continuation of the downturn. These are the two possibilities that can happen in this contract. So initially we want to take the tough side by staying on the buying. So we expect crude oil to stay in buying, maintaining 2960 as support and 2950 as a stop loss. So let us see what's going to happen during the trading session. And thanks a lot for watching our videos. Happy trading. Take care. Bye.